How to arrange app icons automatically on Android. This tutorial shows you how to sort and organize your home screen apps automatically for better organization. First, long press on an empty area of your home screen. Next, a customization menu will appear with different options. Following that, look for Home Settings or Settings icon in the menu. Now, tap on Home Settings to access home screen configuration. Moving forward, scroll down to find Apps button or App Grid options. After that, tap on Apps button to see how your app drawer is organized. In addition to that, look for Sort Apps or Arrange icons. Once you've found it, tap on Sort Apps to view sorting methods. Subsequently, you'll see options like alphabetical order, most used, or custom. Moreover, select alphabetical order to automatically sort all apps by name. Afterwards, your app drawer will reorganize itself with apps in A to Z order. Then, go back to your home screen to arrange icons there as well. Within this section, long press on your home screen again. Alternatively, look for an option called Auto Arrange or Align icons. Once enabled, icons will snap to grid positions automatically when you move them. Then, you can also drag apps from the app drawer to your home screen. Afterwards, they'll automatically align to the nearest grid position. Then your Android home screen and app drawer are now neatly organized. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you arrange app icons automatically on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.